What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this update on Stasis network. I already published a video on this project around 2 days ago, and this will be the final pre-sale update because the pre-sale will end today at 10 p.m. UTC on the 12th of June, and the NFT mint will run until Thursday. And I want to show you in this video what I will do with my tokens because I already contributed to the pre-sale, and we will also talk about the different strategies you can use and what the projected return of the NFTs are. First thing you want to take a look at is the current pre-sale situation. As you can see, the hard cap is 2 million. If I would connect my wallet, this number would show up right here, and they totally raised around 585,000, so between 25 and 30%. At least from my perspective, this is still a very good raised amount if we compare it to the current market situation. The pre-sale started on the 9th of June, so basically on the day where the market crashed, and for that 600k, almost 600k probably when the pre-sale ends is quite a good amount, and they will work with whatever they collect in this pre-sale. As I said, I already contributed to this pre-sale, and I want to show you now exactly what I will do with my tokens because there are different options in these so-called dynamic strategies. I, for example, will put my STS tokens in the yield farm paired with the Matic token. There will be, as you can already see, 2% stake and unstake fees. 75% of those fees will be rewarded to the stakers and 25% will be sent to the tax receiver address. There is no lockup period for those stakes and no penalties for early withdrawals. So you can choose whatever you want to do, if you want to compound your rewards, if you want to accumulate them, or take your profits in STS Plus, the appreciating stablecoin in this project. And I will put my whole stack of STS token paired with Matic, so I need the same amount of Matic as the amount of STS token I get from the pre-sale, and those will return me around 50 to 75% APY. And if we take a look on the current Matic price, we can see that this one is down to 63 cents. And I personally will take all my profits, which I get in the STS Plus token, and swap them into the Matic token to dollar cost average in for the long term. There's of course another strategy. You can also put your STS Plus token into the single staking if you don't have Matic token or if you don't want to pair them. And the third option is to build or make a pair of the STS and STS Plus farm. There you have 4% deposit and withdrawal fees, and again no lockup periods and no timers, and it should be around the same APYs, around 50 to 75% for this pair. Now we want to talk about the NFT mint because there are 700 available, 84 have already been minted, so also not that much participation. All the NFTs which will be left will be burned. And they, for example, already wrote a Medium article what you can expect from the returns from these NFTs. Now we also want to take a look at this one. There will be a number of tokens, exactly 25 million in the contract for the NFT payouts. So you will be paid out in STS token if you hold the NFT. And the projected return over a year will be 38% APR. So for the current launch price of the STS Plus token, this would just be 230 US dollars. But as I already explained in my last video, their goal is to reach a token appreciation of 400% and 80% in their treasury. So this would then mean that you get around 1,200 US dollars in return from a 600 USDC NFT. Of course, only if you let the rewards compound and not withdraw them over this year. Again, this is the projected return if they reach their goals of a 400% token appreciation. And these NFTs have nice incentives. Usually you have to sell them on the secondary marketplace, and if there is no buyer for your NFT, you basically have to hold on to it. But this NFT right here can be redeemed for a 20% redemption tax. This is basically the liquid feature of those NFTs. And if they reach their goals, you basically just have to hold around 2 to 3 months until you can redeem it for 0% loss, because then the 20% redemption tax will be covered. Another thing you have to keep in mind, if you want to sell it on the secondary marketplace, there will be a 5% royalty fee which you have to pay. So if you are the seller of the NFT, you have to pay these 5%. So just calculate this in the price you want to offer your NFT for. The last thing I wanted to show you is on their Discord, because there is still a silly competition ongoing where you can win up to 100 US dollars or prizes in STS token. Therefore, you just have to jump over to their silly quest board, connect your wallet and your Discord account and do those quests. And if you are at least on place 20, you will get rewarded on STS Plus token once this competition ends. And as you can see, there are no invite competitions. These are just shilling quests on Discords or just doing replies, retweets and likes on Twitter. So very easy to do. Links to all of this will of course be down in the description. And again, if you want to jump into the pre-sale, it's just open until 10 p.m. UTC on the 12th of June. So you have to be fast because this video will be released at around 8 p.m. UTC. But of course, the NFTs are still available until Thursday. That should already do it on today's update video about Stasis Network. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. If you don't want to miss future updates, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring those videos at least every second day. And if you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. Thanks for watching and let's get this crypto.